Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys on how to install PayMoney scripts on your server. So guys, kindly watch this video carefully so that you understand how I did this, and please, if you're a new member here, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel so that whenever I post a video like this, it will be useful for you. Thank you. Alright, so as you can see, I'm on my C panel. So you also go to your C panel, you click on File Manager, then you go to where you'll be uploading this file, if it's on your publish HTML or your subdomain. So I'll be uploading this file on my subdomain. Okay, I already have the file there. So what you need to do now is to click on this upload button, and it will take you to this page here, the file from where you kept it on your phone server, on your phone storage. So now, after it has been done, you will leave it for some minutes so that it's going to read. When it's done uploading, then it should now appear here. So what you need to do now is to extract this file. When you have seen it here, click on extract, then you close it. As you can see, there is another folder that came up here after extracting it. Open this folder, now you open this. Now let's pick the file from here, let's extract it. Now extract it to the main folder, extract the file to the main folder. Alright, so as you can see, it has been done extracting. So let's close it. We'll move this on, click and move it to the main folder also. Let's check if this domain is live. Now check your own domain to see if it is live. Now, as you can see, let's go back. So go back. Let's look for storage. And go back. Also change it to Now let's create our database for this project. What's wrong with this network? Alright, so guys, as you can see, this application has been done. So let's check admin dashboard to see now. Then put in the password here. Click on install. So as you can see, we did this. Congratulations to us. Alright, so guys, let's check the front page. Let's see how it looks like. This is the front page, the dashboard. So as you can see, this is a beautiful dashboard. See the wallets, see the transactions, and this deposit money. Those of you that maybe kindly message me on my number there below. Thank you for watching this video to the end. May God bless you.